Good morning once again, class 4. So, in the last video, we have studied about the secondary memory storage device. From that, we have studied hard disk, compact disk and DVDs. Now, there is a small test given about true or false. So, RAM stands for random access memory. That is true. Secondary storage memory is a non-volatile memory. That is again a true. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 bytes. That is false because 10245 bytes. 1 megabyte is not 1024 bytes. That is 1024 kilobytes. Then the size of the DVD is 4.1 inches. That is again wrong. DVD size is DVD can store 4.7 GB to 20 GB and the measure of the diameter is 4.7 inches. So it is again false. Hard disk is made up of multiple disks. No, hard disk is made up of metal disk. Metal plates fixed in a spindle. So it is again a false. Now again we will move further. That is secondary memory device, hard disk, CD, DVD. After CD, DVD, there are few more. That is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a new type of optical storage device designed to substitute the DVD format. Now, the DVD format can be changed in the Blu-ray disc. This plastic disc is the same size as DVDs or CDs. You can see this in figure 1.10. The Blu-ray disc, this is just same as the DVDs and the CDs. The name Blu-ray disc refers to the blue laser used to read the disc. This color blue is the laser which can read the thing. That's why the name is given as a Blu-ray disc. It can store 25 GB to 50 GB of data. Now this is more than the this storage is having more than the DVD. It can store 25 GB to 50 GB. Please underline this. Blu-ray disc can be store 25 GB to 50 GB of data. To read and use the data, a Blu-ray disc player is needed. Now to read this in our computers, we should need a Blu-ray disc player. If it is not there, we will not be able to use the Blu-ray disc. Now come to the next one, that is pen drive. We all know about pen drive, right students? These are popularly known as flash drive or USB flash drives. Another name of pen drive is what? Flash drives or USB flash drives. Please underline this. This device is attached outside the computer at a place called USB. That is Universal Serial Bus. What is the full form of USB? That is Universal Serial Bus. And here is the picture, figure 1.11. Then in this, in your computer, it can be placed in the outside and you should have a USB for placing the pen drive. It can store large amount of data, 1 GB to 2 GB or more. It depends according to in the market there are many kinds of pen drives are available. So different kinds of pen drive have the different storage. So it can store 1 GB to 2 GB or more than that also. It is most convenient device to carry data from one place to another. You can keep it in your pockets also. You can keep it in your bags. This is a very small device. You can see it in the picture. So you can carry it from one place to another in a very convenient way. Now turn the page, come up to the memory card. The last thing, a memory card or flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage device used in many electronic devices including digital camera, mobile phones, laptop, computers, MP3, MP4 players and video games consoles. Now what is this? This is a memory card. And you have already seen nowadays everybody is using the Android phone. Now in your Android phones we use this memory card. and this also comes with the different kind of storage capacity. So this can be done in this can be used where, please underline this from here. A memory card or a flash card is an electronic flash memory data storage device used in many electronic devices including mobile phones, digital cameras, laptop computers, MP3, MP4 players, or in the video games. In these one question can be come up in your exam. Give the examples of memory card where we can use the memory card. Now, they are also multi-cards. They are also called as multi-cards. Please underline this also. The another name of the memory card is the multimedia cards. They look like postage stamps. They are called re-recordable and able to retrain the data without power. Now, if for this you are not required for this data cable, can you see? If you are having a data cable, you can easily put your data in this and you can take out from one device to the another device. So this is also called as multimedia card. They are small, recordable, re-recordable and able to retain data without power. They can be accessed by the computer using the multimedia card reader. This is a multimedia card reader. You need a cord like this and you can store or transfer data from one place to another. Now, here we have completed our chapter. Please, you have to read the recap zone and fully revise the chapter. In the next video, I will be giving you the exercises. So please be ready with your pencils. Got it, everyone? So please read the chapter very carefully, the underlined things, the full forms and all. And we will be doing the exercise in the next video. Thank you.